We're here today with Gene Bardach. We're going to discuss his book, A Practical Guide for Policy Analysis. Gene Bardach has been a professor at the University of California for over 40 years and is someone who's had extraordinary experience in trying to think about how do you solve public policy problems. So I'm going to start by asking Professor Bardach to talk about himself. Where were you born? Where did you go to school? And how did you get into public policy?
Well, I was born in Baltimore. I left as soon as I could. In 1940, it's a long time ago. Went to Columbia for undergraduate work. Did my PhD in political science at Berkeley. Took my first teaching job at Brandeis, teaching political science. But that lasted only 3 years until Aaron Moldovsky, the founding dean of the Goldman School, or what was then the Graduate School of Public Policy, called me up one day. He said, in his usual abrupt way, "Eugene, how would you like to come teach public policy at this new school at Berkeley?" Well, okay, you're not going to say no to that. So it turned out to be a great career move and great personal move.
How big was the faculty when you first
It was
came in?
tiny. It's still not very large compared to most policy schools, but probably then there were like, 10 or 11 full-time faculty.
And did anybody know what they were doing?
No, of course not. That's, I'd say a lot of faculty, a lot of the time, don't know exactly what they're doing, but they're smart, and so they invent solutions as they go along. Well, we really had a big challenge. We had to think about a new, I don't say discipline, a field, and how to apply traditional, mostly social science, disciplinary thinking and training and methods to this new field. And in addition, you had to do something really quite difficult, which was not just think about, the social science, but about the professional training. These students we were about to receive were going to go out into the world and do practical things. And they expected to be helped doing practically, being effective. And, we had to confront that. We didn't quite know how to do it. There was maybe only one member of the faculty, or at most 2, who had some experience actually doing that.